Oh, 667.
We have new equipment for review. A review with chips at the machine. Well, I decided to give the young people a chance. Timofey will assemble it completely connected and start it up. Can you do it right?
I think so. Well, there's a manual.
It's been lying around for a while. It's already a bit dusty. I just don't have time to figure it out, because you... The workshop is under construction, so I asked Timofey. Timofey is actually a specialist, an expert in these things. Well, I think he will be after he assembles this machine. Anyway, let's open it together. Oh, we probably put the box the wrong way. This is the bottom. Let's turn it over. User manual in Russian. That's right. Well, there should be one in there somewhere. In Russian. English and Russian. Yes, there is. I think there won't be any problems figuring it out here. And the parts look so beautiful. Just amazing. What a beauty. This is the control unit. It's a serious one. If Timofey manages to assemble all of this, it will be just awesome. There are so many bolts, hex keys and bearings here. We definitely need to somehow take all of this off and move it over there.
Those are earmuffs. That's the right way to call them. And there are glasses too.
Safety glasses.
We have everything, huh?
I think this board is for testing, to try out the machine. So I'll put the control unit here for now. This can be moved. This is the base, the foundation. We need to attach the legs from underneath. We'll look for them now. Alright, I won't get in the way. I'm leaving. I'm just curious to watch, but I have to go to work. Well, that's it. Timofey assembled everything. I didn't help. Oh wow, yeah, over here. You could say half the work is already done.
So that's what we have there. The assemblies are already here. Here's this kind of milling machine, this little thing here, which will be the motor. Here's one with cooling. The motor is already installed. This part moves here. For now, you can turn it with this. It rotates a bit. Then this part also rotates. See? It rotates. The Z-axis. Like up and down, it rotates. And here too. So where will it go? Back and forth. Like this. Back and forth. And also you can move it manually with this.
Or the motor works here.
There's just a little bit left. I took the wires here and I tried to get them mostly connected. There's still something to adjust a bit. Install the control unit and that's almost it.
So, here are the cutters. Well, as I expected, Timofey assembled the whole machine. All that's left is to install the cutters and test it. But we didn't make it today because there was heavy rain, we had to hide, because even here in the gazebo the rain was coming in, so we covered it with a cloth. So the next day we'll definitely assemble everything and show you. Here's the manufacturer in case anyone is interested to see what kind of machine this is. That's it, everything is made very nicely, so... And what's this?
It's a sensor. You need to set it up or calibrate it too.
A specialist handles that. Yeah, I never doubted it for a second. Tomorrow we'll fire it up. Alright, let's pack everything up and go home. Because everything's wet and cold, we need to go home and warm up. Alright, Timofey, please explain to us what are you working on right now? What step are you on?
Right now I'm securing this.
Timofey came up with this. I don't know how well it's going to work.
The Builders Club. I don't know how clearly it's going to show up, because in the program it's done automatically. It's supposed to outline the letters. And how is an ordinary person supposed to figure this out at all?
Huh? Timofey says that anyone can figure it out without any problems. You just need to understand the process, read the instructions, and everything will be easy and simple. Now Timofey has already secured the workpiece here.
Still needs to.
Tightly.
John,
Now he's about to start it up. I'm peeling off the film, mosquitoes are biting, it's dark, but Timofey is already ready to demonstrate. What can this device do? Shall we launch it?
let's launch it.
Wait, hold on. Did you tighten the milling cutter properly?
Well, yes, it's all the way in.
It's fitted all the way, everything's fine. Did you tighten it with this wrench?
Yes, I tightened it with the wrench.
Alright. Do we trust Timofey?
Can you say it again?
We trust you, turn everything on. If the cutter breaks, it's no big deal. You can just put in another cutter.
There's another one included in the set. Oh,
There are enough cutters in the set here. Interesting, right? I'm really interested. I'll step back just in case. Yours is making little holes.
There you go.
You set the depth too deep.
I made it 3 millimeters each.
That's all. Did it stop? Yes. So what? Well, exactly what's drawn on the computer is what's cut out, but it's not clear what it is.
because
Well, the Builders Club.
my program renders badly.
Is the Builders Club here? The Builders Club. Well, just like I did it here, it turned out the same here.
Well, that's interesting.
Timofey, show us how you watch the process with the glasses on.
You can do it manually, by the way. That's cool. That's what's cool. You can actually make the Builders Club manually. Turn it on. You can turn it on, turn this one on, and just do it like this with these nuts.
Alright, whatever. We learn how to use the equipment so we don't mess anything up here.
Let's start. Next, I press the checkmark button. That's it, it's running. What did we get here? Oh, 7.
6, 7. And what did you do here? 6, 7. For people with disabilities.
And why did you do that? 6, 7? Well, tell me.
Well, it's just that it's a cool number.
6. It's really a cool number, right?
Yeah.
6, 7.
We need to stick it on.
And now we need to sand this down with sandpaper. You need to increase the speed on the milling machine so it cuts better. When the speed is low, it tears the edges. Did you set it to full speed?
Yes.
To be honest,
Well, halfway. Full speed at first.
I was running it at half speed, but
From.
because of this, now here,
The beginning wasn't complete.
the edges are ragged.
Well, right at the beginning. Right here.
You need to set the speed to maximum so it cuts everything cleanly.
I set it at the end.
I set it at the end, that's why it turned out even. Alright. Test the workpiece. Is our house number 7 or what? Why did you make 6-7?
Our house is number 67. Alright,
It's empty.
our house isn't number 67.
That's how Timofey figured out how to use the machine. Now he's a valuable employee in our shop. There he is working over there. He says, give me any tasks, any shapes, any lettering, I'll cut out anything you want. Well, good job, what can I say?